I've been talking a lot about AI lately, but it's a tool that can help you in your business as a digital product business owner. So today I want to talk about how you can create content with AI and how you can really improve things to help you to be able to create content in no time. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise. Now, before we dive into today's topic, where we're going to talk about AI and how it can help you to create content, I want you to check out a free resource I have for you. You can learn more about how to market and create your digital products through our resource library below. And also, I have some amazing AI tools that can help you in your business, and you can also find that below. Okay, so let's talk about how AI can help you to create content in your business. Maybe you are looking to create blog posts, or maybe you're looking to create video scripts, or you're looking to create content for your audience ongoing. Maybe you're doing email newsletters, but you're falling out of blank, or you're not able to consistently keep up with it because you don't know what to say, how to say it, and you're just running into roadblocks. Now, trust me, I have been there before as well. I remember when I decided to create a newsletter for my audience, and I wanted to share all these amazing things of what might have been going on with me that week, or some of the things that I was working on, or new products, or all this great stuff. But then I was hitting roadblocks. I would find myself trying to write and not know what to say, and finding myself in a place where I just put it off to the side and didn't touch it for a while. Well, I don't want that to be you, because now that there are tools and resources that can assist you along the way, you don't have to feel stuck. So I like to utilize platforms like ChatGPT. I like to utilize things like and things like that to help me to be able to come up with content ideas. Some of the ways that I do that is I properly prompt AI tools to help me to identify what my topics or what my different content is going to be about. Now, if you are looking to create content and trying to batch your content, then you can utilize some of the resources that I do. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump behind the scenes. I'm going to show you how I come up with at least a month's worth of content, and you can come up with a heck of a lot more, but this can help you to come up with some ideas on how to plan content in your business so that you are set up for success and you're not feeling overwhelmed. Okay, let's go ahead and jump behind the scenes. So currently right now, I am looking at ChatGPT 4, and I am creating a 30-day strategy to help come up with a content game plan. Now, you can make your content plan shorter or longer. It all depends on what you are looking for, but I'm going to be utilizing a 30-day example just to help you to get a game plan and an understanding on how to attack this in AI. So currently right now, I have already wrote a prompt out just so that it's not taking me forever to write this out while I am recording this, but I have written out a prompt about being a sales funnel expert who teaches women who run online digital product businesses how to create profitable funnels. And also your current outlets are YouTube, blogging, Facebook, and podcasts. Create a content strategy for the month. Also talking about it's okay to repurpose, and also making sure that they know it's a 30-day strategy. So I want it to include details that are very clear and help to understand what I'm doing versus just an outline of what the content strategy should be. So I'm going to go ahead and let's do this, just editing this real fast. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit submit, and let's see what it comes up with. So let's take a few moments. And right now, currently, it is in the process of coming up with a strategy. It's coming up with like week 1. So it's going to be breaking it down, how you can do a blog post, how you can do this, and all of this great stuff. So let's go ahead and let it break it down and come back to it. Okay, so it has finally put all of the information in there. It talks about week 1, really honing in on understanding sales funnels. You can do blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, Facebook Live, another blog post, social media. You can also go into week 2, focusing on the importance of sales funnels and digital product businesses. You can repeat that same method that you might have done before. So you don't have to do all of these, but maybe you are looking to incorporate them. And so you can maybe have a blog post on understanding sales funnels, but also go on Facebook Live talking about understanding sales funnels, in a podcast and a YouTube video, and even your social media posts are based around that. It also goes into week 3, breaking down how to create a sales funnel, and then week 4, really honing in on sales funnel optimization. And so you can see that it has come up with a game plan here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this topic, understanding sales funnels, and now what I'm going to do, so this is week 1, I am going to create
a blog post on this particular topic. Okay, so now what's going to happen is it's going to write a blog post. Now, I like to make this have a lot more personality. I just kind of like to have an outline of what I'm talking about prior to. But if you are going straight into it and you want to use AI and this is going to help you to come up with some ideas, you can utilize this. I do highly recommend just not coming and doing what I just did, where I just put create a blog post. I recommend including some information. For example, understanding sales funnels. Make sure that it covers this. Make sure it hits on that. Make sure that you include this story that I might have experienced when it came to sales funnels. Just give it a little bit more personality. So here you'll find basically now a blog post about sales funnels. And so you can do the same thing for the podcast, even a Facebook Live. So I'm going to use a Facebook Live so it has a different layout. So what I'm going to do now that it has created this blog post, I'm going to have it create a Facebook Live outline. Okay, so as you can see, I'm staying in the same thread because as it gains more information, it makes it easier to write. Especially if you're adding more of your personality, it will help it to keep the same tone throughout all these things. So for example, here's a quick outline for Facebook Live on understanding sales funnels. Greetings, brief overview of the topic, short summary, and then going into explanation, all that good stuff. So it gives you an idea of how long this should be. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then another 10 minutes, and then Q&A for 15 minutes. You can say that this needs to be shorter if you don't want it to be as long as what you're seeing here. You might do something more along the lines that says create a 15-minute Facebook Live. So let's go ahead and hit 15-minute Facebook Live. And now it can focus on making this outline in a 15-minute time frame versus a very long 45 minutes to an hour Facebook Live if you don't want to go live for that long. So this is a really just great way for you to be able to have all of this information. So let's go ahead. Now you have an outline for your Facebook content. And so you can do the same thing for all of your different weeks, like all your different topics. If you don't like what you're saying, have it regenerate for you. You don't have to do this. You can tweak this and edit it to your liking and your business needs. So please note that what you see on AI does not mean that it's the final thing. You can tweak this to your liking to really help you to come up with what it is that you're trying to say and the content you're looking to provide to your audience. So go through whether you're doing a blog post or a YouTube video, a podcast, or even a Facebook Live, or even social media. You want to go ahead and plug in the information below, and you can do that by saying like create a 15-minute Facebook Live outline, or you can do things along the lines of create a blog post on this topic. Right now, I'm going to just create a social media post on the same topic, just because I want to show you some things that you can do. Create, and you see my prompts are kind of specific, especially when I was up here. I had a lot of details of what I'm trying to accomplish. So as it goes on, I don't have to be as detailed, but I would recommend that you have as many details as possible so it could write in a better format for you. So create 5 social media posts. I want to include some humor in these. So here's some things I want to make sure that this prompt has. Include humor. So let's now get some details. First of all, it's including the emojis, which is awesome. It's also making it kind of more personal, where it says like, have you ever felt like you're pouring potential customers into a big confusing bucket, hoping that they'll find their way to checkout? That's where sales funnels come in. And then if you want to have it go to like a YouTube, or if you want it to have some sort of action plan, you can do that. So you can tweak these. So here's just kind of what we have so far. If you want to obviously make these longer, you can include that. Make medium size or longer Facebook posts, things like that. So I want you to just kind of think through like what you want to include in your types of posts, and then make sure you include that in your prompt. If you have stories that you can tell, include that in your prompt so that it can include it in your actual post. Okay, so that's how you can come up with content for the next 30 days. Again, you can come up with content for a shorter period or a longer period, but whatever the case is, this process will make it a lot easier for you to do so. Go ahead and get started with playing around with ChatGPT or any of the other AI templates out there and create a strategy that will help you to create better content as well as just come up with ideas so you're not feeling stuck, and so much more.
Okay, corporate misfits, so there you have it. You have the tool of AI to help you to create content for your business. Again, whether you're looking to create blogs or videos, or maybe you're looking to just create just different scripts and things like that to help you in your business, this can be an assistant and can take things to the next level so you no longer have to feel stuck. And if you're looking for some resources that can help you with AI, don't forget to check them out below, and also check out our digital product resource library. Okay, corporate misfits, until next time. Hey there, corporate misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.